Controlling the owning and operating costs of your equipment is critical to any operation. But did you know that 50% of those O&O costs could be tied up in your undercarriage? Hi, I'm Jaci Chapeck. I'm a parts and service marketing analyst with Caterpillar, and I'm here today to talk to you about undercarriage repair options. Managing and maintaining your undercarriage system should be a top priority for every machine owner because of the impact on those O&O costs. You can get the most out of your undercarriage by investing in a system that will deliver the most value. Caterpillar is unique in that we design and build our own undercarriage, which gives us 100% quality control. This allows us to create machine-specific product matches that lower your O&O costs. That's because we design CAT undercarriage to work and wear as a system. Getting the full value out of this system will save you money. A great way to do that is with Custom Track Service, or CTS. CTS is a comprehensive program from your CAT dealer that utilizes the most advanced diagnostic equipment to accurately monitor your undercarriage. With CTS, your CAT dealer can measure performance and predict wear rates, which allows you to weigh various service options. There are several ways to extend your undercarriage life. I'm going to talk about what you can do, as well as how the Caterpillar design has helped extend undercarriage life. First, track tension. Maintaining correct track tension is an important part of undercarriage maintenance. Just a difference of 2 inches in track sag can add 4,000 pounds of extra tension, which will dramatically increase track wear and decrease the track life. Second, roller and idler seals. To eliminate wear and minimize maintenance, Caterpillar developed proprietary duocone seals, which deliver a lifetime of lubrication. Third, the link assembly. Caterpillar has engineered link assemblies to include technologies that extend the life of your track. Another critical advancement Caterpillar made in the undercarriage industry was the development of the sealed and lubricated track, or SALT, which virtually eliminates internal pin and bushing wear, extending bushing life by 50%. When your undercarriage is showing wear and requiring service, it's important that you make repairs before failure occurs, because repairing after failure can increase costs dramatically, sometimes as much as 200%. When you're considering a repair, talk to your CAT dealer. They have a range of undercarriage solutions based on a variety of criteria, including purchase price, machine utilization, level of abrasion, and level of impact. Heavy-duty undercarriage is ideal for high-impact environments with the most rugged terrain. System 1 undercarriage is designed for use in high-abrasion applications and does not require bushing turns for maintenance. General-duty undercarriage has the same dimensions as the heavy-duty, but is designed for low to moderate impact applications, giving it a lower price point and a great option for machines that are older and utilized less often. There also are additional undercarriage options based on your machine type and application. And all CAT undercarriage are covered by the CAT Undercarriage Assurance Program. Plus, all genuine CAT parts are backed by our 12-month warranty, so you can feel confident selecting a repair option through your CAT dealer. When you're looking for the right undercarriage repair option, it's important to involve your CAT dealer early on. They understand all of the selection factors that come into play and can make specific recommendations. So contact them to discuss the range of options that can be tailored to meet your needs.